Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome to my canal. I'm Edgar and today we're gonna be all natural. Usually we are beat to the gods, but today I thought I would change it up. We're actually going to be playing with the brand new Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star Conspiracy Palette. You guys might have even found me through my original review, which I posted a couple days ago. And in that review, I tried to go in with a little bit more of like the crazier colors that people wouldn't necessarily gravitate to, just so I can really put them to the test and see how good they would work. You guys really loved the makeup look that I did for y'all, but at the same time I did see a couple comments that said they were really afraid of the palette because they saw a lot of color, they hadn't really seen anything like it before, and they didn't really know how they'd be able to incorporate it into their life. And I will admit the look that I did is a little Coco Loco. It was like really pretty in the end, but I had a yellow inner corner highlight. It was not necessarily everyone's cup of tea. Because of that, I want to show y'all that this palette is actually very versatile and it works for many occasions: daytime, nighttime, work, party, rave, whatever you want to use it for. You can definitely get a look out of this. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick everyday look, something that you guys can do to work, to school, to pick up the kids, to do a little grocery shopping. I don't really know what I'm going to even call this video, but all I know is that this look is going to be quick, very bam, let's go run out the dough. And before we get started, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, what is you doing, baby boo? Subscribe down below, click the little notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload brand new videos. After all, it is free 99. If you do enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know your comments, questions, and concerns down in the comments below. If you guys have not entered my giveaway, little makeup care package giveaway that I'm hosting on my original review of this, make sure you guys go enter. I'm picking the winner in about 2 days. All you guys gotta do to enter is subscribe, click the bell, thumbs up, and comment your Instagram name. But yeah, let's get right into today's video. Tell me why I have no freaking plans today. No tengo ningún lugar que ir. And my base, do you see this base? My skin looks smooth, my brows are freaking even, but I have nowhere to go. So as you can see, I have my base on. I still need a lip color and of course the eyes, which we're gonna be working on. I didn't even like cream contour or anything. Like I really wanted to make this look as quick, as realistic as possible. I'm literally just gonna go like this look, 1, 2, 3, and we're done, okay? That's the goal for today. Oh, where's my mirror, frick? Where's my mirror? So my scenario right now is I just rolled out of bed, I slapped on my makeup really quick, I gotta get to work, and I have 5 to 10 minutes to get ready. 5 of those minutes took up with my base, and now I'm gonna be doing my eyes. With the sponge that I blended out my concealer, it obviously has a little bit of product on there. So I'm just going to put this right over my lids just to really cancel out any darkness that we might have. Andale, ain't nobody got time. Cool, so our eyes are prepped. Now I'm not even going to be using under eye powder like I usually do. So I'm dipping into Diet Root Beer, tapping off the excess, and all I'm going to do is literally just, y'all see this? Literally just follow my crease. Just going in one more time. Just bam. Make sure you guys wing this out so you can make your eyes look a little bit bigger. Connect it with the bridge of your nose. All right, so there we go. Our first eyeshadow applied in 15 seconds. Other eye, again, just, you wanna be able to almost really do this without a mirror. Like just feel wherever your crease is and put that in there. And then once more, grabbing a little bit, just blend. Quick, y'all. Ain't nobody got time for nothing today. We are on a time crunch. I'm going in with a little bit more, same shade, Diet Root Beer, right along the under eye with like the same brush. So just run it right under your eyes. Other eye. Now let's just say that by chance you like packed it on too much and you gotta fix it. I'm going in with the lighter shade, which is Tanacon, with a little bit more of a fluffier brush and just running it right over that. So this is a little bit lighter, so it's obviously going to soften everything, but it's also going to help blend all that. I'm just... More than anything, the most important part is to really make sure it's blended into the bridge of your nose so there's no separation, and then just kind of winging it out to give you a little bit more of a awake, you know, sultry, I ain't got no sleep, but I'm still trying to look cute type of vibe. So next I'm going in with my finger with Just a Theory. There's honestly no other shade that I would put on the lid for a quick everyday look. I mean, you could use Conspiracy, maybe no, Diet Cola is too crazy. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of Just a Theory. And all I'm going to do is press this on the lid. You see? Same with the other eye. Do not be afraid to use your fingers. Like, your fingers are not gonna fall off if you use your finger to apply a shadow instead of a brush. There we are. Look at that. Super quick, super easy. Now, because theoretically you're gonna be doing this look in the morning when it's bright and early, you probably didn't get enough sleep, like 99% of us. I do wanna do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. You can use your typical face highlighter, but if you do wanna just, you know, you have the palette in front of you and you just wanna boom, 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 go, 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 go. I'm taking a little bit of ranch. Now, ranch is really, 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 really white. So literally just pop your little pinky finger in there. I'm gonna place that in the inner corner. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to give more light to the center of your face, and that's gonna make it look like you got a little bit more sleep, and it's also gonna make your eyes pop a little bit. Wow, it's cute, it's simple, it's quick. So I just applied 4 shadows in a matter of like 2 minutes and we got this look. So now this step is optional, you can skip it, but I personally like a little bit of more of a smoky eye. I know that sounds like natural, quick, everyday smoky. That doesn't belong in the same sentence, but I'm taking a little flat shader brush like this with my Ubers here, literally just dipping in once, tapping off the excess, and right along the lower lash line, I'm just going to place this down here because I'm still gonna go in with a black pencil and a little bit of a liner. So this is just really gonna make the look. Okay, so you guys see how that black kind of framed our eyes a little bit more. So for the shadows, that's pretty much it, y'all. So we got all of this done in like 2-3 minutes max. If you do feel like, you know, you possibly didn't see anything blended, go in for like 2 seconds now. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a black pencil. Sorry, y'all, I might need to do this off camera because I don't want to poke my eye. Put in a black pencil, a brown pencil, a nude, a white, whatever you prefer, right on the inside of your waterline. This should take, of course, like 30 seconds. Now, just like the black shadow, this is optional. You could skip straight to mascara or do this. I'm gonna go in and quickly just draw a little flick, a little eyeliner, because eyeliner makes your makeup appear a million times better. So get to practicing if y'all don't know how to do this, but just quickly flick, flick. This is a new eyeliner that I'm trying out, by the way, not the usual Gaga one that I use. So we got room for error here. Just bloop. You see that little line? Now line number 2. And then just connect. Oh my god, this eyeliner is freaking bomb actually. Alright, so there are my wings. By the way, I use the Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner, Mexican-owned brand. We stand, and it's bomb. Obviously, I've had better eyeliner days. I just rushed this. The goal of this makeup is not perfection. It is being on time, getting to where we need to be. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and right before I do that, also, I'm gonna put some glue on my lashes to let it dry while I put on the mascara, and then we can just pop them on. I'm not even curling my lashes today, y'all. That's how serious I am about this being quick. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which allegedly curls your lashes, so just pop some of that on. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm going in with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. It makes your lashes super freaking long and it doesn't flake or anything either, which is obviously a plus. And by now the glue on our falsies should be ready to go. So I'm popping on a nice wispy giant lash. Just place her down, fix it. And then our other lash. So there are the eyes. Now let me just quickly pop on a liquid lip and we are all done. Okay, amigos, so here is my completed maquillaje. Again, like I said, this wasn't aimed to be perfection. We ain't trying to look like no Instagram thotty. This is just everyday, realistic, on the go. You should theoretically, except like the winged eyeliner, you should be able to do this makeup without a mirror. Like just pop, 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 pop. Of course, this isn't my personal everyday makeup. Feel free to tone everything up or down. I think if you want to keep it like super freaking natural, of course, skip out on smoking out the black. Don't do a wing, maybe don't even do falsies. But for a glam everyday natural appearance, I think this is totally freaking cute. And even though I did a wing and lashes, and by the way, I did use the same lashes that I used in the previous tutorial. They are Craze from the Lash Bar LA. I applied the glue right before I started doing mascara, so by the time I was done, I could just pop them on. I didn't apply mascara and then put the glue and then have to wait. So it's really about like just keeping everything going, because if you stop and you pause and you're like, is that blended? And that's what's really not going to allow you to do this in 5 to 7 minutes. If you guys do, by the way, want to pick the lashes up, you can use discount code Edgar. I'll link them down below. Of course, like I mentioned, this is just my version of quick every day. Feel free to do less, do more, whatever you want to do, but I think this is a pretty standard base point across the board for everyone to do. I hope you guys enjoyed another glam perspective using the Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. If you haven't seen my previous review where I did a much bolder look, then I'll link it up here and also down in the description below. Before you guys head out, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Also click the little notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload brand new videos if you have not already. And if you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up and leave your questions, comments, and concerns, your thoughts, opinions, everything you want to leave down in the comments below. I love chatting with y'all. I love hearing what you have to say. So if you're not already following me all over the internet, make sure you guys check me out at Edgar's Makeup on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, here on YouTube, everywhere on the internet at Edgar's Makeup. But yeah, you guys, that is everything for me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much as always for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.